Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Woman puffer short jacket designs, mini jacket designs. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination, contrasts you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish collection of women puffer mini jacket designs. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of jacket designs. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful jacket designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of women mini jacket designs, puffer jacket designs? Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can wear these very beautiful jacket designs in the birthday party or wedding party. You can match your dress with your jacket design. So please friends, don't forget to like me, share me, comment me, subscribe me please. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.